In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join the Sellfy affiliate program and submit your application. If you're looking to earn commissions by promoting a trusted e-commerce platform, this walkthrough will get you from start to finish with zero confusion. First, open your browser and go to sellfy.com/affiliates. You can type it directly into the address bar, or search for Sellfy Affiliates and choose the official page. Once you're there, take a moment to scan the page so you understand what the program offers. Typical commission rates, payout structure, and any terms that stand out. This context helps you position your application clearly and ensures the program fits your content and audience. Next, look for the button that says Become an Affiliate, Start Earning, or Join Now. The exact wording can vary, but they all lead to the same application form. Click it, and the registration page will open. If you don't see it right away, scroll a bit. Sometimes the call to action is repeated in a few places on the page. Now, it's time to fill out the application. Provide your personal details and website or primary promotional channel. Be accurate and complete. Use your real information and a professional email you check regularly. In the website section, include your site URL or the social channel where you plan to promote Sellfy. If there's a field for describing your audience or marketing methods, be specific. Share the niche you cover, the type of content you create, and how you intend to feature Sellfy, whether that's via tutorials, reviews, newsletters, or social posts. This clarity helps reviewers quickly see the fit. If the form asks for traffic metrics or links to your profiles, add what you have. You don't need to exaggerate. Authenticity builds trust. Make sure your site or profiles are public and up to date so the team can verify your presence. Before submitting, review for typos and make sure your links work. Then submit the application. After you submit, wait for approval. Sellfy reviews new affiliate applications, and processing times can vary. Keep an eye on your inbox and check your spam folder just in case. If you don't hear back within the time frame mentioned on their page, a polite follow-up through their support channels can be helpful. While you wait, ensure your content aligns with ethical promotion standards and any guidelines listed on the affiliate page, so you're ready to go when approved. That's it. Open the affiliate page, start your application, fill it thoroughly, submit, and wait for approval.